Okay, so to open your Davinci Resolve backups, it's very straightforward and simple. If you don't know how to set up your backups so you have backups to load, then I will leave a video linked up in the card above so you can check that out. But once you have everything set up, all you need to do is click on the little house icon at the bottom right hand corner, and then you want to find the project that you want to load the backup for. So in my case, I want to load the backup for this test project. I'll right click on it, and then you want to select the option of project backups, and it will show you all your automatic backups. All you need to do is select the one that you want to use and then click on load. You'll want to give it another name, so test 02 in this situation, then click on OK. Then you can close that window, and then you will see it here. You can just double click on that and open it up. And here's your project that you can begin editing with, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. If you want to download hundreds of Davinci Resolve titles, transitions, and much more at a very affordable monthly fee, then click the first link in the description of this video to find the perfect asset for your next Davinci Resolve project. Subscribe for more video editing tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.